you refuse to come off the plane, you're going to go to jail today. I'm going to deplane everyone off the plane. I'm going to drag you off the plane.
Right back. I'm on body camera. I'm not going to take your phone. I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of a... So, I'm going to ask her to come out.
Would you please?
Will she come out? Does she have luggage?
Yes.
With her?
She does have a personal item on a carry-on.
Okay.
Yeah. She's insistent that you don't have to upload everyone.
Hey, how's everything?
If you she's still not compliant, you need to take her body operation.
Okay, and you don't want her flying at all, not even if she moves her seat? Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to, what's her name? Camille Fair. All right, have her come up here.
She's in 13. She's supposed to sit in this seat. She don't want to go.
Well, now the captain says no, it doesn't matter.
She want to get up.
So can you ask her to come up here, please?
She's not going to come.
Not gonna come.
She said you have to drag her because she's not going nowhere. That's what she said.
Unless you leave that reference here.
3 kilo 1. Commercial fire for Terminal 1.
Hello, Camille? How are you? Deputy Soto.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
I'm sorry.
Today.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry about that. But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned seat.
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
That's a screenshot, ma'am.
It's the app, view my boarding pass. Why would I make that up?
Let me see.
Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You think I'm going to waste my time?
Ma'am, it says 13E.
That's where I am.
All right, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
No,
I'm trying
phone.
to help you.
Are you?
Yes,
because isn't everyone else seated?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but I've been so
I'm trying to help
disrespected.
you. Let me show it to the
I'm just trying to get to Chicago.
Right now,
I have a funeral tonight.
But this is the
I've been
thing.
working all
Okay,
day.
I understand.
I don't work for Spirit.
I know that.
But you're tired.
Okay.
I'm trying to be patient. I've lost my zen.
Okay, relax. Relax. Just take it down just a little. I'm trying to help you.
Then talk to them.
Let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm going to give it right back. I'm on body camera. I'm not going to take your phone.
I don't think that you're going to take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera. Okay. You see what I'm saying?
Okay. Let me see what I can do.
I'm not from Florida.
Let me see what I can do. Okay? If you're correct, then everything should be fine.
Why would I make this up?
Well, because everything is here saying that you're on 30. You're supposed to be in 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is.
They mixed it up, which
Give me
they
1 minute.
need to fix.
Let me see.
That's not.
That's the app, right?
Yes,
it's the app.
is.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me talk to the captain.
That's not correct.
Hey, sir. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but if she refreshed, she would have seen her seat.
A screenshot.
Okay.
That's a screenshot.
Okay.
That's a screenshot. 24 hours.
She opened it up for me, so show me how.
Yeah, let him show you this.
Let me see.
11 hours too. Yeah.
This is on her wallet. I understand she. Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E. So the thing is, with the ticket, her and Spirit, something happened. But she's supposed to be, as from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. But now she's being told she got to go. So I understand her not wanting to leave, but something's got to give with her and Spirit. Then it's not. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of an error. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying with flight instructions, that's a no-point of.
No, I understand that.
Flight instructions on the airplane, she's not going to comply with the airline on her own airplane.
No, I understand that.
I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you right now. What's your name again?
Why don't you ask him?
I'm speaking to you. What's your name?
My name is. Know my name.
I don't know your name because I didn't speak to you. So let's hold on. Let's have a conversation like two human beings. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you. Listen, that's fine. You don't want to have a conversation? That's fine. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
What is there a conversation?
You're gonna come off the plane. If you refuse to come off the plane, I'm gonna take this. I'm giving you your last warning. You refuse to come off the plane, you're gonna go to jail today. I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning. All right. She says she's not coming off.
15039.
From the aircraft.
I tried.
No, I think you did.
I tried.
No, I heard you.
I tried. I tried. It happened.
We came here was the police.
Yeah. They were here earlier for a different flight. No, different flight. 36 earlier, different flight. An incoming flight. Huh? You're where?
Sitting in their seat, so mom and daughter, the underage child.
While they're waiting, let me get a picture of your ID. Yep. Let me get a picture of your ID. Oh, you have your ID on you?
I just talked to the chief pilot. Third time it's happened today. Just to let you know. Twice in Atlanta. This is the third time.
Oh, really? One of those days.
Here's the other thing. She's in a fucking accident. You got somebody emotionally disturbed and upset, and now they're in an exit row.
Yeah. Who knows if she's even telling us?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. What is your?
You're not saying people lied.
No. Oh,
I don't think anybody ever lied to me in all my years on the police department. Nobody ever lied to me.
Yep. What's your phone number, sir?
954.
Yeah, honestly, there were some people willing to give up their seats for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was too late. I thought they were exiting out. Hey, I'll give up my seat for her. I'm like, too late. You know, I don't even think that would have helped. You know?
No, she's not moving out. She's just.
She's adamant because of the fact it says, and I told her, I said, this happened to me before. I showed up for my flight, my seat was changed. And it says it right there, it says, you know, subject to change.
Yeah.
It happened. We try, but it is what it is. That's it.
Sergeant's on the way, just stand by.
All right. Yeah, she's a supervisor, right?
Yeah.
Let me get your information.
Listen, I just started working.
You just start, well, guess what? Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. I tried to help her.
All right.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's why we deplane the plane, yeah.
You got to come on board.
Oh.
You gonna come off the plane, or we gonna let us use force against you? All right.
You really want to go to jail? You really want to go to jail? Okay, let's not make it a second time or a third time. Let's just get off the plane. This is the final chance. Because once the handcuffs go on,
I'm not
there's no negotiating.
That's it.
Either get off the plane or go to jail.
I'm not doing anything.
One last chance. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail.
What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail. You choose right now. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Off the plane? Hold on, Q. Wait, or off the plane and go to jail? Pick one. He's asking you. Please stand up and walk off. 5. If you stand up and walk off, you can rebook. 3, 2. If not, you're going to jail. Come on. All right. Let's go. Come on. Stand up. 10-4. It's going with your stuff. In the bag. Put it in. That's your only bag, ma'am? Is somebody ramp side? Yep, I can see him. Hey, Q, you want to bring a ramp side? Yeah. We ran time, we're right here, right? Right through here. Yep. What's the... You open it?
No, I don't have the... Someone has the code?
I got it. Hold on.
I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, careful now. Don't get me in no trouble.
We're gonna go.
¿Quieres una parte para el derecho por la otra? ¿Quieres una parte por el derecho?
Nope.